What we're seeing in the market right now in regard to customer demand is value for money. Organisations are having to redesign and revisit the way that they go to market. They're looking to remove inefficiency and waste, and it's all about improving the bottom line. SPS operates on 3 levels. It's customers first, it's operational excellence, and it's innovative thinking. And we like to bring the operational excellence within an organisation to life. And this is where we can look at non-core services that organisations often take for granted and really get under the skin of those operations and really start to evaluate best practice, best process, best use of technology, and the best deployment of people. We came to choose OPEX for this opportunity by really starting with what's the job to be done. We felt that it required a complete re-engineering of the front-end process, and we went to market and we looked at different equipment, different technologies and different partners. And on every level, OPEX were able to exceed our expectations. And we felt that the combination of the 3, their know-how, their equipment and their technology, gave us the solution that we needed to re-engineer something quite different for this customer.
What's been really impressive about SPS's unique approach in engaging with OPEX is they've invested time with some of our technical specialists, delivering training to their technical specialists to make sure that they can homegrow their own OPEX solutions. And as well, they've got dedicated one-touch specialists whose job it is to review SPS clients to see if there's a better and more optimal way to deploy an OPEX-based solution against any traditional workflow.
I believe it's our process engineering expertise combined with OPEX's deep domain knowledge in scanning and sortation. And when we bring those 2 organisations together, then we were able to create something what I believe was very unique as a solution, and therefore it's driven huge amounts of efficiencies, both operationally but also financially for the client in mind.